guys, it's me from Princess Maji Show, and today I'm going to be reviewing all of my fidget toys in case you guys were wondering how many fidget toys I have. But before this video starts, can you please like and subscribe to my channel and to check out more videos like this. Anyways, let's get started. So I put all of my fidget toys in a bucket. As you can see, it's filled up with fidget toys. I think I have around 36 fidget toys, somewhere in that zone. I don't really count them, but so here are all of my fidget toys. Let's go ahead and dump them all out. Oop. Did I miss anything? Nope. Okay. Ew, what is this hair doing in there? Disgusting. Okay. Okay, I have a lot. Not too much, but hopefully I'll get more in the future. Okay, let's put this all aside. We'll go through them one by one. Anyways, I think this video is gonna take some time, so yeah, around like maybe 15 minutes or so. Just for you to know. Okay. First of all, I have my Jumbo Poppet. This is the biggest fidget toy I have. Anyways, this is going to be a quick video, so I'm not going to explain too much. But anyway, so I have this Jumbo Poppet. A dark colored popsicle poppet. This was from a friend of mine. This flower poppet with a hole in it. Still pops great though. One dimple digit. I don't know, what are you doing? Two pop tubes. One infinity cube. Oh, anyways, I'm really looking forward to get a tangle. I don't have any tangles yet, but hopefully I'll get one. I also really want a simple dimple too. A simple dimple and a tangle has been my dream. Anyways, I have a snapper. Lots of my classmates don't know how to play with this. So I always need to tell them like how to play with it. They're always thinking you have to do it like this, like this. Like they don't really know how to use it. 3 monkey noodles. I have them in pink, blue, and green. Whee! 1 pink peach needle. A pineapple poppet. I was about to say popsicle. Three marble and meshes, and they're the same color as the monkey noodles, blue, green, and pink. The green one is my favorite. It glides so smooth. 2 squishies. This one, it's a bit ripped, so that's why its head was ripping, so that's why I kept some tape. It's a bit defected, but that's okay. I used to have mochis, but now I don't know where they are. I think I got mochis about like a few years ago, but now I don't have them. Anyways, here's the first squishy. Oh, this is my favorite squishy. Oh, but its head is a bit ripping. But it smells like chocolate and it's amazing. Still smells good. I have 2 rainbow poppets. I have 1 Rainbow Among Us poppet. Anyways, these 2 slide great. And 1 circle poppet. Really good. Not good. I was about to say great or good. good, and then I got screwed. This Octobubble Poppet. I'm not a huge fan of these because they don't really pop that great. I kind of regret buying this, but still pretty fun. 2 wacky tracks. You know what I like to do? You know when you make a plus sign and then you can fold it up the sides and make a snapper? Well, I have something even better. So first, you make them into the plus sign shape. Oof. And then you just do this. I love doing that. 3 acupressure rings. I used to have 5, but the 2 silver ones broke. The gold ones last. I recommend you guys getting gold acupressure rings because those last longer than silvers. 2 mini poppets. 1 green, mint green, and 1 purple, tie-dye with both white. The purple one is my favorite. It's such a good quality. This one, not so much. So I think you guys have seen in my last video, Legendary Poppets ASMR, the weird Legendary Poppets video. I was playing with this pink Orbeez Bear stress ball, right? Filled with clear Orbeez inside. Well, that broke, and so I just took the Orbeez and kept this in the bag. I kept them in 2 bags just in case it pops. And I had clear slime, but it was way too sticky, so I kept it in this bag. I think you guys have seen this before, like in my last video. This weird spiky thing you can find at the dollar store or Dollar Tree.